In today's video, we're going to dive into how to track employee performance in Monday.com. Whether you're a manager or business owner, getting an accurate picture of your team's progress is crucial, and Monday.com can help you with that. But stick around because I'll also share a few things you should know before fully committing to it. We'll cover all the tools Monday.com offers, but I'll also show you some alternatives that might serve your needs even better. Now, let's start by addressing the most obvious tool in Monday.com for tracking employee performance, the workload view. This feature allows you to easily see your team's tasks and what they're working on, all in one place. You can track how many tasks each person has, how long these tasks will take, and even set deadlines. But the issue here is that while it's a great visual, it can get a bit overwhelming if you have a lot of employees or projects. It doesn't give you deep insights into individual performance beyond the tasks assigned to them. Next thing, automations. Monday.com offers automations that can trigger actions based on certain conditions, like sending reminders when a task is overdue or moving tasks around based on completion. These automations can help you keep track of performance by ensuring things get done on time. But here's the catch: setting up these automations can get complex, and not every team is comfortable navigating this. It can take some time to get used to, and there are better solutions out there that allow for even more streamlined monitoring. The third thing to consider is the dashboards. Dashboards in Monday.com give you an overview of team performance in terms of completed tasks, project timelines, and more. This can be really useful for tracking progress at a high level. However, if you're looking for more detailed insights, like individual productivity over time, Monday.com's dashboards can feel a little limited. The real power of tracking performance is in breaking down data into actionable insights, and while Monday.com does offer some reporting options, there are some areas where other tools might excel in giving you more detailed analytics. The fourth thing is the use of status updates. Monday.com allows you to track the status of tasks, which can give you a snapshot of where your team stands on projects. It's a good feature, but it requires your employees to consistently update their progress, which can be a pain for some. If you're not diligent about making sure updates are accurate and up to date, you could end up with a false picture of your team's performance. Lastly, let's talk about the mobile app. Monday.com's mobile app is decent for tracking progress on the go, but it's not as fully functional as the desktop version. If you're someone who needs to track employee performance in real time, this can be a bit of a hassle. You might find yourself wanting more features or smoother functionality when using the app. So, here's the thing. While Monday.com offers a solid set of tools for tracking performance, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. It has its strengths, but it also has limitations, especially when it comes to detailed reporting and real-time performance tracking. Now, before you decide, let me share a special offer. We've partnered with a competitor that offers an exclusive free trial, better suited for tracking employee performance in real time with deeper analytics and a more user-friendly interface. And through our link, you'll get exclusive access to a better free trial and some benefits that only our viewers can enjoy. Make sure to check the link in the description for more details. You'll find the best option for your business needs, and remember, we've got you covered with great alternatives to Monday.com.